Ito yung pinuntahan nila, Tvinde Valley Waterfalls. Okay, so let's have some pictures first. Ito natin, ang ganda view dito. Sila, oh. Alright.
You folks like caravans here?
Meron kaming 10 minutes lang. 10 minutes para makita tong Twin Waterfalls. Okay, so lapit tayo sa pinaka doon. Makita natin maigi. Wow, ang ganda. Shit. Ito yung binabayaran nila rito. Okay. There. You know. Ito na siya. Hop. Bato-bato. Visit Norway. Right. Paras na para bumalik. Thank you, Lord. Ganda. Right. Bye-bye. Up. Holy shit. Ganda ng view. Yan, dito tayo ngayon sa isang tour destination lang. Ganda. So, let's see. Ganda ng view dito. Right. So, ito yung hotel, no? Stalheim Hotel, Stalheim Valley. This is the Valley Hotel. Wow. Wow. See? It's beautiful. Very, very beautiful. Tangan lalo mo. Mga bundok nila. Sayang wala na ganong yelo. Mas maganda ito kung may yelo pa. Summer na kasi. Alright. Thank you, Lord. It's time for the picture. You know. Taas. Woohoo! Ang tarik, grabe. Ang taas. Alright. Sa baba, nandun yung tunnel. Binubutas nila yung mga bundok, no? Ang bundok, Okay. Very nice. Oh, careful, baka malaglag tayo. Wow. Woohoo! And here they are. Right. You know. Layo. No, exactly 4 o'clock. Oh, you are number 2. Sorry. Layo, oh. Nice. Mula ron. Ganda ng view nila. Halos ito lahat makikita mo sa Norway. Puro bundok. May yellow. Pero sulit naman. Thank you, Lord. This is nice. This is the hotel. Right? Ang tunnel, oh. Sarap. Alright, time to go back. Wow, ganda ng mountain. Alright, 15 minutes mo. Pagkape muna. Na tayo. Tayo. Wow. Good Good Vangen Forge there. Punta tayo ng bridge. Yan o. Glacier na. Ito yun. Picture muna tayo dun sa baba. Tapos mamaya tayo sa bridge. Yun. Ito maganda kuna ng litrato. Yep. Yun. Ganda ng view niya. Right. Nakuha tayo litrato. Yun o. Ang lamig. Then this is the tunnel. Yun ang yellow o. Yung glacier na o. Oh. Nabuong glacier na siya. Ito yan, may yellow sa taas. Right? Same view lang yan. So lamig. Ang bagyo lang. Bye-bye.
Alright, so good afternoon. Hello. Hello, welcome to the tour. My name is Vanessa. And today, Olav is driving for us. Before we get started on the actual tour, I want to give you some safety information. We have several emergency exits on the bus. So we have two skylights, one here at the front, right above me, and one at the back. We also have the windows that you can break. The hammers, be aware, are located on the ceiling, like now. So this is the famous salmon river. It doesn't really have a lot of salmon these days. It has historically been very famous and it has attracted royalty here and fish to this river. This has always been a very popular area for tourism. We had tours already in the 1900s. Back then, of course, it was with horse and carts. And here, and a bit older, so you can see that they're dark. They've been covered with vegetation. With the temperatures we have around here, sometimes it's not enough to just have electric heaters. We had, I think 2009 was a record cold. And this year not so much. Well, but it can be very, very, very cold. -20 is quite common in winter, for example. There are 3 main sources of income in this area. A bit difficult to work with big vehicles. They're quite often on a slope, but at least it's still terrain that can be worked. Farms often have at least one more piece of land. There are too many, there's a lot of rock, and it's very difficult access, but for the animals there's no problem grazing there. So they sent at the beginning of summer, the animals come out of the barn and they graze here on the fields for a little while. So now you're very lucky that you can see the sheep and the goat and cows. Those are the animals they have here.
Did you know this is only right in Norway? Around that whole wow. Check out the sheep.
Oh my goodness, right
Look
there.
at the babies. Wow.
Snow.
And you don't find a northosite so much in this area. And you can tell this by looking at the mountains. Probably it's easier to see it on the way back. The anorthosite is not very good for vegetation to grow onto it. So the rocks that have anorthosite, they look a lot more bare at the top. We have a lot of forest in Norway. So clearly what has happened here is that after 400 years of union with Denmark, they have taken the nice trolls and they have left us with the mean ones. There's one more character, and this is the last one I'm going to talk about because there are really many, and it's the Huldra. The Huldra is a woman. Well, it looks like a woman, but it has a cow's tail.
Wow, it's a big one. This is the Rottweiler. I mean, he was huge. Like 200.
Religion before this on the left. So religion came to Christianity came to Norway around the year 1000. This is a time when the folk stories begin dying out. It's also the end of the Viking era. And the beginning of Christian Norway.